So in my opinion, this right here is the most brilliant beauty innovation to come along in a very long time. I am so excited to show it to you because if you're like me, if you are a girl on the go, if you travel a lot, if you're a makeup junkie, then you are going to appreciate this so much. First of all, what is it? Well, it's an empty magnetic makeup palette. And if you have never used one of these, you are in for a treat. You're in for a surprise. You are going to love this. And it is going to save you so much money, you won't believe it. So let's go inside. Let me show you what this is all about. So as I mentioned, it is a magnetic makeup palette. So when I open it up, you will see that it's empty. But I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it and why I am so obsessed with this guy. So there you go. Inside, you're seeing a shatterproof mirror here. This one is a nice roomy one, but I'm going to show you one that is even bigger in a minute in case you're a major makeup junkie. And then this right here is where the magic is. This is a magnetic palette that is designed to store and organize all of your makeup, sort of those little pots that typically come in regular cosmetic packaging. So think eyeshadows, think blush, think highlighters, even those the creamy foundation, creamy blushes, contour, all of those items that come in regular packaging. You can take the actual makeup out of the packaging, and what you'll find is that 99% of them are metal. And if they're not metal, then you can attach a little metal sticky thing to the back of it, and the back becomes metal, which makes it suddenly magnetic, instantly magnetic. So you're going to take the makeup out of the actual cosmetic containers and you're going to store them right here. Because how many of you, like me, buy those makeup palettes because you see them in the store and everything looks so pretty, and you get them home and maybe there's 12, maybe even 18 different colors, and you end up using just 2 or 3 of them, but yet you're lugging around this big makeup palette. And so instead, what you can do is take out those 2 or 3 colors that you're loving and put them here. You'll put your blush here, your foundation here, whatever it is, you can put it all here. So your entire makeup collection, for the most part, can fit right here. And look at what a slim silhouette it is. So imagine if this was all you had to take, and your blush and your highlighter and your contour and all of your eyeshadows were all right here in this slim little guy. So that is one reason I love it, is that I can have everything in here. I don't have to have a bunch of different, seeing if I even have, just a bunch of different of these guys all over. It takes up so much room. I need a big, huge cosmetic bag just to store them all. All I need now is this. But here's the kicker. This is what I love the most. It's the amount of money that I have saved since I started using this. How have I saved money? Well, let me explain it to you. We all know of, I was going to say a certain makeup brand, but really any makeup brand that comes in packaging like this. So here's a typical eyeshadow, right? Guess how much this costs? Maybe you already know, but right now it's around, at department stores, you're going to pay about $21 for this. Many people don't know, a really well-kept secret of many of the beauty brands is that they sell the makeup that's inside. They sell this as a refill. And so it comes in a little packet like this. I'm going to cover the brand because I'm not supposed to show those, but you probably know what I'm talking about. So it comes like that. And guess how much this costs? This costs all of $9. So it's exactly the same as what's in here, but you're paying $12 for the packaging. You're paying more for the packaging than you are for the makeup itself. So if you are using a magnetic makeup palette, you're now paying $9 instead of $21. So imagine how much money that is going to save you over time. And that's just these little guys. We're not talking about the blushes and those bigger items. Now, if you have a makeup brand that doesn't sell refills like that, and it only sells it in the bigger containers, it is pretty simple to get the makeup out of the containers. It's called depotting. And so to depot, the key is that you need to basically, the way that these little guys fit inside this guy is usually with a glue on the bottom. So you're going to need to loosen that glue. And so in order to do that, you need to heat up the bottom of this. Now I will use, sometimes a hot hair dryer is enough, but you can also use a flat iron and kind of sit it on the side and just really heat it up, and that's going to loosen the glue. And then you can use a little metal tool that they sell to just, I mean, you could really use a knife or anything, but they have specific metal tools that are used just to get it out, so that it doesn't break and it, you know, easily kind of pops out. And then once it's out, as you'll see, the back usually is metal like that. And so what you're going to do is just take this and place it on there, and boom, it's not going to go anywhere. So the magnetic is going to stick right there. And again, if you have something that does not have a metal back, you can create that, and I actually put one on there. That's a sticker that has a metal backing on it. So now that one is magnetic as well. And then here's one of my favorite bronzers. I depotted that. I took it out of the packaging that it came in. The back is already metal, and I put that there. So again, look, everything stays put. I can fill this up, I can move these around, so you can't believe how much you can fit in this one little palette right here. And then you close it and you're off. So cool, so brilliant. I can't believe not every female that loves makeup as much as I do doesn't have one of these. And they do come in different sizes. This one is adorable. As you can tell, I do like an animal print. I love this one, right? How cute is that? So that's a smaller one. And when you look inside, this one does not have a mirror. This one is, you know, more of the basic, but this is all magnetic right here. So same idea with this guy. Now, if you have a really hefty makeup collection, you might want to go with a bigger one like this. This one is pretty cool. So this one actually folds open, as you will see. Bada boom. Look how big that is. And so this one does have that shatterproof mirror, really nice. And then it's got this and this. So two full magnetic palettes there. This is designed to hold up to 70 of these little guys. So you can hold a whole lot here, and some of the professionals will use this. And you'll see most professional makeup artists are using these because they have their favorites that they like to use all the time. And rather than, you know, tote around all of those different cosmetic packages, having it all in something like this is just so much easier. So these are so affordable. They're all just so cute, especially, as you know, I love this one. But so many to choose from, different sizes and things, but nonetheless, they're all just so smart, so brilliant. They make a great gift, great girlfriend gift, great anything gift. So I was very excited to share these with you, and I hope you love them as much as I do, and I hope they save you as much money as they do for me.